Yes, you are welcome to this our tutorial to teach you how to utilize Vital Source Technologies e-learning platform, the very platform of which we are using currently. I want to take you through that. It could be that you have received the e-learning platform website address, or you already had it written on a book cover or whatever that you had it from, and probably you want to search for it. If you already have it in your WhatsApp, you need to tap on it and it will send you to our e-learning platform. But for the sake of this tutorial, I have copied the URL address and I'll paste it here for us to see how we can get to the e-learning platform. So first of all, you look for your web browser application in your phone, that is Google or Firefox or Microsoft Edge. If you're using a computer too, you can use any of these search engines I've mentioned. Then let's go to Google. Now let me paste the e-learning platform address here. Then I'll search for it. So this is the e-learning platform. So when you log in here, first of all, if you have the URL or the website address link, you will by all means reach here. But if you don't register our e-learning platform, you won't be able to get access to most of the tutorials that we have there. For example, here we are, you will have to register the account by going to the menu here, go to users, then come to register. So here, if you have registered, you just need to enter your login username, then your password. If you have not registered, you click on here, enter your name, enter your email address, your username, password, and then verify your password. Then you click on submit. It will send you to our e-learning platform. If you don't do all these things that I've taken you through, though you will be here, but you can't get access to some of the things. Example, this tutorial we are seeing here, if you have not registered, you won't see them. You only see home page. So if you are there, come to tutorials. Then these are tutorial under computer troubleshoot. All these ones are buttons. If you tap on monitor display issues, you see maybe your computer has monitor display issues. So here are they. Yeah, so maybe you have reached the last part of this speech, as I'm flipping through. Yeah, so you want to go back. Yeah, so you are there. You want to go to the next page. You want to go to hard disk issues. Here are hard disk issues. Now maybe you probably want to go to another page, like we have here. We have graphic design. Go to graphic design. You will be here. You see graphic design here. A new page has been opened for graphic design introduction. That is level 1 tutorial. That is for video, Photoshop graphic design. Yeah, so there are a whole lot of things there, but mostly people get there and they don't know what to look for. So anytime you want to go to another page, you will need to go to the menu there. Here we are. You can see if you tap on tutorial, there will be other pages that will be open for you. You can see that there are a whole lot of pages here. Yeah, you can see lecture notes aspect. We have database management, and under database management we have a whole lot of parts at database management. So this will guide you on how to build a database and how to manage it as well. Yeah, so let's say you have issues with your you have issues with your Bluetooth, and you want to connect your Bluetooth to your computer and it is not working. You can equally come to this area, come to networks. You can see Bluetooth issues. Yeah, so Bluetooth issues are here. These are guides that will take you through how to solve your Bluetooth issue with your computer and your phone. Maybe you want to connect your Bluetooth to your computer and things are not working well for you. You just need to come to our e-learning platform and get the guides. Now, maybe you also want to contact us. Our contact details are here. In any page you visit, our contact details will be at the footer. So you have our phone number here, address, email, chief executive officers, photo is here. Then you can also see our business website. This place, you tap on it, it will send you to our business website. Yeah, so basically this is where you are again. Our business website is here, as you can see. Yeah, so that is just a brief video on how to use our e-learning platform. Thank you very much, and get in touch with us. Vital Source Technologies is life. It's there for us. Take care.